you'll see baseboard heaters that are the long, rectangular heaters, and they really end up, blocking your bed, your living room couch, and kind of what you can do functionality wise with some of your rooms, because you don't want it to go up against it. So I would always recommend, they're all electric, so it's super easy to swap out the baseboard heaters with the cadet heaters that are also electric and little zonal ones. So I'd recommend having an electrician do it, so that you don't zap yourself, but it's a super easy fix. And that's an easy way to do it. What's another way that you like?
Well, I like those because you can sit in front of them when you're cold. But the solution that I like better, it's a little more expensive, about $800 per unit, but I'm talking about the mini split. They go up high on the ceiling, and it's a heat pump. So actually the benefit of those is that it's heat and air conditioning, and you don't need that many units because they're super efficient.